Welcome to the social media content creator template. I'm going to onboard you on the main functionalities. Okay, so starting from the navigation and explain the basics. Of course, you can always implement more elements on the template. It's really simple yet powerful. So let's dive in. On the left side, you can see the navigation menu. It's a shared content where you can see this menu in all platforms, in all links inside. We have the platforms here, and we have the home button, config, and resources. Config is the first thing I would recommend you go. Then you can come here and select which kind of platform you are going to use. For example, if I'm not working with Twitter, I'm gonna just remove Twitter, or I'm going to remove blogs. And in any time, so if I want to go back, so just come to inactive platforms and assign and reestablish again, putting them back on the menu. So the order here, you're gonna notice that they are not alphabetical. So what you do here, you can have like an order number for each platform, and you can decide whatever goes on top. Across the platform, we have two types, two layouts. I'm going to show here in all and all with sidebar. It applies for each platform individually. So if I'm going to all, there's one kind of template. You can see the calendar. We can also have platforms, the content based on the platforms, layout also based on the pipelines. So if you go to all with sidebar, we notice that we have some posts to be scheduled. It means that the ones there is no date yet, so they'll be here. You can set this with whatever you want. Maybe you can have another version in a certain point of the pipeline, maybe ready to post, for example. We can also see the resources here to make it easy in share with the team. So you can create resources and attach resources to a platform. And you can, whenever you need, for example, the company logo, the stories template, the feed guidelines, or maybe some guidelines that you need to share with your team, so they can see all accessible here with this layout with sidebar, or anytime they can come into the resources database and check it. Down below, you see the same as you can see here on top, but I like to have another version here, just scrolling, where you can see the pipeline, and you see the stages of the content creation. By default, I hide everything, that nothing is inside, so just to make it simple for me to see it. But anytime if I move, for example, sending for reviewing, so I can come here and change the status, and you're gonna notice that this will appear, the column now appears here according to that step on my pipeline. Of course, I can filter, so now I'm seeing only Instagram, and I could see like only Twitter, and I could see only whatever platform I want. And if I'm going to create a content, I can have one of these nice templates already with the icons. So I have the main platforms that are already set. Feel free to add yours on top of the ones I added. And I actually for one of this, but I have on my own, I have different ones. So we have like stories and shorts template. It's an example that I can create a different template to use content. I'm gonna show you now. So let's see, I'm going to add an Instagram post, and I'm going to do it 25, and let's see, I don't know, welcome message. And the template I'm using is just like to define the icon and the platform, but I can clean this up to go back to the template sessions, and now I'm going to apply a second template where I'm using the stories and shorts template. So once I click this, you can see that the icon remains, all the platforms remains, all the information is not overruled, and now we can have the structure of the template. So let's see if the content calendar, or if a carousel post or whatever, so I can just have the slides. So if a sequence of stories, I can have like them here, and I can have also this checklist pre-built to make it easier for you to walk down the road in your content creation pipeline. Yeah guys, so basically the template does that, and I think it's pretty straightforward. You can start using it. So the only difference here on all and for other one, there's no filter applied. So for every single one, it's already filtered based on the platform that you want. I hope this template can help you create your own content. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm using this all alone with my platforms, and it's being very helpful. So I can see in the calendar, I can see different views, I can know exactly where the content creation is easily. So, and they can even bring like more spices to the template. I hope you like it. My name is Diego, so you can find me on this platform here down below. So feel free to drop me a message, send me some message, or send some screenshot or video of you using the template. Thank you very much. I hope you like it.